Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I hope you are feeling good today. My name is Cora, and I am so happy to be here with you.
Hi, Cora, and hello to all our listeners. I am David. Today is going to be a very special episode. We are going to help you speak English better in your daily life.
That is right, David. Many people ask us, Cora, David, how can I start speaking English today? The answer is simple. You need daily use sentences.
Exactly. You don't need to know every word in the dictionary. You just need the right sentences for the right time. Today we have 30 very important sentences for you.
But before we start the list, let's talk about feeling relaxed. When you learn a language, it is normal to feel a little nervous. Do you ever feel nervous when speaking a new language, David?
Oh, all the time. Even now, when I learn new things, I feel shy. But remember, making mistakes is how we learn. If you don't make mistakes, you are not trying.
That is such a good point. So, listeners, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. You are in a safe place. We are going to practice together.
Today's transcript is going to be long because we want to give you a lot of value. We will talk about daily life, give you learning tips, and of course, share those 30 sentences.
Let's start with the morning. David, what is the first thing you say when you wake up?
Well, usually I say, I am so tired. But the first useful sentence is, what time is it?
That is a great one. What time is it? It is simple and very common. Let's repeat that. What time is it?
Now, imagine you are in the kitchen, you want coffee. You can say, I need a cup of coffee.
I say that every single day. I need a cup of coffee. Or, if you like tea, I need a cup of tea.
This is about daily life conversation. We use these sentences to survive and to connect with others. Cora, what about when we leave the house?
When you are leaving, you might say to your family or roommate, I am leaving now. See you later.
See you later. That is very natural. It is better than just saying goodbye. It feels more friendly.
I agree. Now, let's take a small break from the list. David, why is listening so important for English learners?
Listening is like food for your brain. When you listen to this podcast, your brain is getting used to the sounds of English. You are learning the rhythm.
Yes, even if you don't understand every word, stay with us. Your ears are working. This is listening practice.
And for speaking practice, here's a tip. Repeat what we say. When Cora says a sentence, you say it too. Speak out loud.
Don't be shy. Even if you are on the bus, you can whisper it. Okay, let's get back to our sentences. Sentence number 4. How was your day?
How was your day? This is the best way to start a conversation with a friend or a partner in the evening.
And the answer can be, it was good, thank you. Or if you are tired, it was a long day.
It was a long day. I like that one. It means you worked hard.
Let's talk about work or college. A common sentence is, can you help me with this?
That is a very important sentence. Can you help me with this? People love to help. Do not be afraid to ask.
And if someone helps you, you say, I really appreciate your help.
I really appreciate your help. That sounds very polite and professional.
Let's move to shopping. Imagine you are in a store. You see a nice shirt. You ask, how much does this cost?
How much does this cost? Or you can simply say, how much is it?
Both are perfect. If you are looking for something specific, like the bathroom, you say, where's the restroom?
Where is the restroom? Or where is the bathroom? Very useful. You don't want to be lost without that sentence.
David, let's talk about motivation. Sometimes learners feel like they are not making progress. What do you tell them?
I tell them to look back. Think about 1 month ago. Did you know these sentences then? Maybe not. Every small step is a victory.
I love that. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey. Enjoy the walk.
And reading helps too. Read simple stories. Read the subtitles on your favorite videos. It helps your brain see the words while you hear them.
Yes, seeing words. Writing is also a great tool. Try to write 1 sentence every day in a notebook. Just one.
Just one? That's easy. Anyone can do that.
Exactly. Start small. Okay, let's continue our list. Sentence number 10. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
This is perfect for when someone speaks too fast. I'm sorry I didn't hear you.
And then you can follow it with, could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please? If you say this, people will understand and speak more slowly for you.
Let's talk about food. You are at a restaurant. You are ready to order. You say, I would like to order now.
I would like to order now. And if you want the bill at the end, could I have the check, please?
Could I have the check, please? Or in some countries, they say the bill. Both are fine.
Now, what about meeting new people? You meet someone at a party. You say, it's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you. And the other person says, nice to meet you too.
Then you can ask, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? This is much better than asking about work right away. It makes the conversation happy.
I like to play football for fun. What about you, Cora?
I love reading and walking in the park. It keeps me calm.
That sounds lovely. Okay, sentence 17. I'm looking for a gift for a friend.
Very useful when you are in a shop and a worker asks you if you need help.
Sentence 18. What do you think about this? Use this when you want an opinion.
What do you think about this? It shows you care about the other person's ideas.
Now, let's talk about the weather. It is a classic topic. You can say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day, isn't it? This is called a tag question. It invites the other person to agree with you.
And if it is raining, you can say, I hope it stops raining soon.
I say that a lot during the winter.
We are doing great, Cora. We are moving through our daily life conversation. Let's talk about confidence.
Confidence comes from practice. It doesn't come from a book. You have to open your mouth and let the words come out.
Even if the grammar is not perfect, don't worry about grammar too much in the beginning.
That's right. Focus on being understood. If you say, I go store, instead of I am going to the store, people still know what you mean. The to and the will come later.
Exactly. Don't let the perfect stop the good.
Let's do sentence 21. I'm running a bit late.
I use this one too often. I'm running a bit late. It is a polite way to say you are not on time.
Sentence 22. Let me check my schedule.
Use this when someone asks you to meet. It makes you sound very organized.
Sentence 23. That sounds like a great idea.
This is a polite way to agree. That sounds like a great idea.
Sentence 24. I'm not sure about that.
Use this when you disagree, but you want to be polite.
Being polite is very important in English culture. Using words like could, please, and thank you goes a long way.
It really does. Now let's talk about feelings. Sometimes you need to say, I feel a bit tired today.
Or, I am so excited for the weekend.
I am so excited for the weekend. We all love the weekend.
Sentence 27. What's your phone number?
A classic, if you want to stay in touch with a new friend.
Sentence 28. I'll text you later.
We don't call much these days, do we? We just text. I'll text you later.
Sentence 29. Have a safe trip.
Use this when someone is traveling. It shows you care about their safety.
And finally, sentence 30. I had a great time today.
I had a great time today. You can say this to us at the end of this podcast.
We really hope you are having a great time. Let's review why these sentences work. They are short, they are common, and they are easy to remember.
If you learn these 30 sentences, you can handle almost any basic situation in English.
David, let's give our listeners some tips for their writing practice. How can they use these sentences?
Well, they can keep a daily English diary. Just write 3 things you did today using these sentences. For example, I had a cup of coffee, I went to the store, I had a great time.
That is perfect. It connects the English to your real life. When English is connected to your life, you remember it forever.
And for listening practice, listen to this part of the video again. Close your eyes. Try to hear every sound.
Yes, repetition is the key. Don't just listen once. Listen 5 times. Listen 10 times.
Let's talk about the 3 simple tips we promised at the beginning.
Tip number 1. Speak for 5 minutes every day. Even if you are alone. Talk to your cat. Talk to your mirror. Just move your mouth.
Tip number 2. Don't translate in your head. Try to think of the image. When you say cup of coffee, don't think of the word in your language. Think of the warm cup in your hand.
That is a very powerful tip, David. Thinking in English is a goal for everyone.
Tip number 3, celebrate yourself. If you learned 1 new sentence today, you are better than you were yesterday. Give yourself a high five.
I love that. Be your own best friend. Learning a language is hard work, and you are doing it.
We are so proud of everyone listening. You are taking time out of your busy day to improve yourself.
We are coming to the end of our transcript now. David, any last words?
Just keep going. Consistency is more important than speed. It is better to study for 10 minutes every day than for 2 hours once a week.
So true. 10 minutes a day keeps the forgetfulness away.
That's a funny way to put it.
Well, thank you for joining us today on this English learning journey. We had a great time, didn't we, David?
We certainly did. I hope these 30 sentences help you feel more confident tomorrow morning.
Remember, you can do this. English is just a tool. Use it to open new doors.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.
Oh, wait. David, should we repeat the first 5 sentences one more time for everyone?
That's a great idea, Cora. Let's do it.
Sentence 1. What time is it?
Sentence 2. I need a cup of coffee.
Sentence 3. I am leaving now. See you later.
Sentence 4. How was your day?
Sentence 5. Can you help me with this?
Perfect. Now they are stuck in your brain.
Good luck, everyone. Truly goodbye this time.
Goodbye.